In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate sections on Wix. If you're building a website on Wix and want to maintain consistency, duplicating sections can be a powerful tool. Whether you're setting up pages with similar layouts or simply need to repeat certain sections across different parts of your site, this feature will save you time and ensure a uniform look. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor. Simply log into your Wix account and select the website you want to edit. Once you're there, open the editor by clicking on the Edit Site option. The Wix editor is where you'll make all the changes to your site, from adding content to adjusting design elements. Familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see your website preview on one side and your editing tools on the other. Now that you're in the editor, decide which section you want to duplicate. It might be a contact form, a pricing table, or perhaps a testimonial section. Move your cursor over to the section you have in mind until you see the boundaries of that section highlighted. Clicking on the section will activate it, revealing additional options for interacting with that part of your website. Once the section is activated, look for the three dots or a button labeled More Actions. This is usually located nearby the highlighted section, and when clicked, it reveals a drop-down menu. The drop-down menu is your go-to place for advanced editing options, and it's here where you'll find the next step. In this drop-down menu, you should see an option labeled Duplicate. Click on this to make a copy of the section. By duplicating, you're not just copying text or photos, but the entire layout and formatting of the section. This means everything will be retained, ensuring consistency in style and design across different parts of your site. After you click Duplicate, Wix will automatically place the duplicated section directly below the original. From here, you can drag and drop the new section to wherever you wish on your page. It's easy to reposition it according to your needs. Just click and hold on the section, drag it to your desired location, and let go. Remember, you can always customize the duplicated section without affecting the original one, allowing unique content while keeping the same aesthetic. This is all about enhancing your workflow, giving you flexibility and efficiency in designing your website. With these steps, you can quickly duplicate and rearrange sections to create a seamless and cohesive site without starting from scratch each time. Happy editing, and enjoy building your site with ease using Wix,